Hello everyone, welcome to Salesforce Atlas. My name is Doris, so if you're new to the channel, I hope that you're doing great. In today's episode, I will discuss with you permission set groups. All of you probably know that in Salesforce platform, we used to have only permission sets that we were assigning to various users. However, recently, or already quite a while ago, Salesforce introduced Salesforce permission set groups, which should help assign various permission sets in a bundle, easier as well to manage in our Salesforce platform. So as always, I will be in one of my Salesforce Trailhead playgrounds. And right here, I have already found the user. This is my test user. So what I mean by permission sets and by permission set groups, we have permission set assignments, permission sets. Not too sure if they are here to stay for long, or maybe Salesforce will decide to remove them entirely. But right here, we have permission set groups. So here we're going to create a bundle of the same permission sets, give it a name, and let's say you know that in your environment, sales users always require 10 permission sets. And you have 5 new joiners. So instead of going through all 5 new joiners and giving them these 10 permission sets, you can simply create a single permission set group, like a single basket where all these permission sets are sitting, and just assign the same basket or permission set group to these 5 new joiners in one go. I'll have to go and create a completely new one. So permission set groups right here. I will go and click new permission set group. As you can see, I haven't got anything in this environment. I will click new permission set group, give it a name, let's say sales. And you can also decide whether they need to activate a session or not. So I'll skip this checkbox, and if I decide as an admin to provide this permission set group, I don't want them to activate anything else. I just want them to start using these permission sets. So I will just save this. And now it will open you a page where you can select permission sets, and you can also assign it to people. So right here in the permission set groups, you will go and select all permissions that will go into this specific bundle, add permission sets, and I will just click some random permissions. I've selected, I think that's exactly what I had in my profile. I will go and click add and click done. So I have all these permission sets, and you can always remove them or add some new to the same bundle if it changes. And now I can go back to users. So let's see how would it work on my profile, knowing that I have some licenses already on this user. It is more tricky with other users, as these are integration users. They haven't got the right licenses required to assign these bundles. I have also removed all permission set assignments. And now I'll go to this permission set group, and I want to go to the sales bundle, and there is a button as well, manage assignments. Now, if I want to manage assignments, and let's say I have 5 new starters and I want to assign this bundle to all 5 starters because I know that they all require the same permission sets, then I can just select all. Imagine we have, let's say, 5 users here. I can also change this view and select all active users and then type in their name to find it quicker. And so if I select all of them, it will most likely trigger an error because in this environment, these users haven't got the right licenses. So if I just select myself, and then I scroll down and I go to the next section here, I can also, this is an amazing thing, you can also specify the expiration date for this bundle. So if, let's say, I have a new joiner who requires a bundle for a limited period of time, then I can select this specify expiration date, select either for 1 day, 1 week, a month, 2 months, or a custom date as well. And then after this specified date, it will automatically remove this bundle from their user profile. So you don't have to create any reminders, and you don't have to think, all right, actually it's time to remove these extra permissions from this user. So for this example, I will not set any expiration dates. And I have selected users, and again, you can do it in a bundle with multiple users at a time, and then select assign. And that's it. I have assigned successfully this bundle to this user. And now if I go to the profile and scroll all the way down, I will see that in the permission set group assignments, I have this new bundle. And if you remember, in just like a few minutes ago, it was blank. I removed everything, and you can see that now it has assigned. And there's another thing that maybe I haven't covered. There is a session activation required. So if in my example, I know that I want this user to start using permission sets as soon as possible, and I don't really want to give them any extra steps. But it can be different in your case. And that's pretty much it. That's very, very quick and straightforward. Just want to share you about this very interesting tool that will definitely save you time if you're a Salesforce administrator or someone who is assigning licenses in Salesforce environment. Thanks a lot for getting this far in the video, and I'll see you next time. Take care.